What's up everyone, this is Tony with JRNY Crypto. Welcome back to another video. So this is just going to be a quick one on the crypto market correction we just had this morning. So Bitcoin pretty much fell off a cliff. This is all just based on some dumb rumors too that the spot ETFs are going to be delayed. But we can see here Bitcoin pretty much dropped instantly from 45,000 down to $40,800. Quickly recovering though, just recently was back over 43,000. But that just goes to show you how sensitive the markets are right now and how ready people are to dump and how many people did actually buy the rumor to sell the news. So just some small rumors here. We can see this website here, Microstrategy. They actually had a post here. Why the SEC will reject Bitcoin spot ETFs again. And then what's funny is they have a article that's actually bullish on the spot ETFs as well. Bitcoin spot ETF approval imminent, Bitcoin to jump to 50,000. So I don't know if it's just the rumor about this, but that's what everyone's claiming, why the markets are corrected. Another article here, over 460 million longs liquidated in past hour as Bitcoin drops 8% on spot ETF delay rumors. So I do think this is probably some market manipulation. It's not just on some random article that's claiming there's going to be delays. We were expecting that anyways, but I do think things are looking good regardless. There's another article here. Spot Bitcoin ETFs are coming, but not as soon as their advocates think. So there's some mixed opinions out there right now, and we're going to continue getting a lot more of this until we actually get an official answer. Here's an article from CoinDesk stating Bitcoin ETF looks very likely given these bureaucratic SEC steps. So more bullish news that does show progress with the spot ETFs. The SEC to schedule meetings with the following to finalize the spot Bitcoin ETF, the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ. That's huge. And on a side note here, we also have Microstrategy's co-founder Michael Saylor selling $216 million worth of company shares. And speculation, of course, is that he's going to be buying more Bitcoin with that, which he has consistently done since they first started buying Bitcoin back in 2020. Whether the markets are up or whether they're down, they're just accumulating as much Bitcoin as possible. And that shows a huge confidence in the very long-term outlook on Bitcoin. They're looking for Bitcoin to become a multi-trillion-dollar asset, not just trying to get a quick 2 or 3x or something on the Bitcoin that they're buying. They haven't sold any, even when the markets are up. And I believe their position right now is up $1 to $2 billion. But if it does hit that multi-trillion-dollar asset class, like everyone is thinking after everything throughout 2024, then they're going to be up over $100 billion in the long term. So I really think this dip this morning was mostly market manipulation, because this is just an opinion piece overall from Microstrategy. It doesn't make sense this would cause an 8% dip in the market that quickly. But you can see this was posted earlier this morning at 2:30 a.m. and we got this dip in the markets around an hour afterwards, around 3 to 4 a.m. and look how sharp this fell and how quick, and then a quick market recovery. This shows me that this is probably market manipulation. Whales trying to liquidate people out of the markets before we actually get the spot ETF approvals, and that's an easy target for them because confidence is so high with the ETF approvals right now, and we're getting so close to the expected dates that they probably did take advantage of this moment to crash the markets and make some quick money. So I do believe this is mostly manipulation. I don't think this single post caused that market crash, but there are going to be more negative pieces like this and probably more manipulation going forward. So don't forget, this same news outlet just put out a positive piece on Bitcoin pumping and testing $50,000 upon the Bitcoin spot ETF approval. So they are covering both angles here. This is just an opinion piece though overall, and you have to keep that in mind. These news outlets have different writers that have different opinions, but this does correlate with the market dip. So a lot of people are targeting this platform, since a lot of people think this actually caused the market dip. But I do think it was whales and market manipulation overall, trying to liquidate all these people from the markets. I don't think it was this piece by itself, but probably did take advantage of this overall. But you can see how pissed off people are in the comments here. Matrix port intern after shorting Bitcoin before posting this. Step 1, short Bitcoin. Step 2, drop the news. Step 3, close the short. Step 4, profit. So someone posted a screenshot in the comments here, basically showing other crypto news sites covering Matrixport and their various opinions. You can see the blog posted, SEC will eject all Bitcoin spot ETFs in January, says Matrixport. And then from Crypto Potato, this will be Bitcoin's highest price in 2024 from Matrixport. Crypto Slate, Bitcoin price could hit $50,000 by this weekend from Matrixport. So over $500 million liquidated from the markets this morning. That really sucks. People that were longing Bitcoin with high confidence leading up to the spot ETF approvals. I do think the spot ETF approvals are still going to happen though, and I do think it's still very likely Bitcoin will test $50,000 with those approvals starting to roll out. But like I said, I do think there will be somewhat of a correction the following few weeks, because I don't think this is going to have a parabolic reaction like a lot of people think. So many people out there think that just based on these spot ETF approvals, the markets are going to pump, Bitcoin's going to pass previous all-time highs. But I do think it will have a huge long-term effect on the crypto space, and I really think this opens the gates for Bitcoin to become a multi-trillion-dollar digital asset in the long term. So that's pretty much it for this video. Just a quick update on the market correction and the manipulation and stuff happening in the news right now. A quick reminder, we do have 4 days left in the daily JRNY Club Pass giveaway. We're giving away one JRNY Club Pass NFT per day. And then we are picking 10 winners of $500 worth of Ethereum each at the end of the contest as well. So a lot of prizes going out. And we do have our PFP launch coming, NFT tools, Stardust 2.0 upgrade, and some other stuff as well. So lots of stuff happening within JRNY Club. I do recommend checking it out. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.